Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer SEO data from Semrush to Ahrefs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the project section from the main dashboard. Select the project containing the SEO data you wish to transfer. From the project overview, locate the Traffic Analytics option in the sidebar. Click on Traffic Analytics to view detailed traffic metrics. Export the data by selecting the Export option, typically represented by an icon or a drop-down menu. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. Save the exported file to a location on your computer. Next, log in to your Ahrefs account. From the Ahrefs dashboard, navigate to the Site Explorer feature. Enter the domain for which you wish to import the SEO data. Once the site is loaded, look for an import option, usually found in the Settings menu. Select the Import option to begin the process of data transfer. Upload the previously exported file from Semrush. Ensure that the data formats match what Ahrefs requires for successful import. Follow any prompts that appear to finalize the import process. Once the import is complete, check the Overview dashboard to confirm that the data has been successfully transferred. Review the imported metrics to ensure accuracy and completeness. Utilize the imported data to gain insights into your SEO performance in Ahrefs. Familiarize yourself with the new tools and features available in Ahrefs to maximize the benefits of your transferred data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.